Okay, whenever you're importing content, it's useful to think of a destination course. That's the course that you're importing content into, and an origin course. That's to say the course that's containing the content that you want to copy. And we're going to start in the destination course, normally an empty course shell. And you would start the import process by going to the settings menu. You would select from the right hand menu here the import course content option. And the first thing you need to do is to tell it what type of content you're importing, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to be a Canvas course. It's that top option in the drop down list. So I select copy Canvas course. I can then search for the course. So in this case I might look for my own module test course, and you can then select either all content or select specific content and click import. It's now waiting for my selection. You can see it at the top of the list here. I click select content, and I can then choose any of the modules, assignments, question banks, pages, announcements and so on. And once I've selected that content, let's say I want to import the modules, I can then click select content, and that content is then queued.